welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 16 of English, and the name of the chapter is Direct and Indirect. So what are direct and indirect speech? Right? So जल्दी से इन एग्जाम्पल्स को पढ़ते हैं जो हमें सबसे पहले चैप्टर में दिए हुए हैं और फिर देखते हैं कि हमें क्या समझाना चाहते हैं. So read the following sentences. Neha said Alia is an intelligent girl. Neha said that Alia is an intelligent girl. So, in the first sentence, we give the exact words used by the speaker. This is called the direct. कि पहले सेंटेंस में हमने एग्जैक्टली उन्हीं वर्ड्स का यूज किया जो कि स्पीकर ने बोले हैं, राइट, एंड दे आर टू बी नोन एज द डायरेक्ट. बट आफ्टर दैट, in the second sentence, we do not give the exact words of the speaker, but give only the substance of what he said. This is called the indirect. But next sentence में हमने सिर्फ exact words ही नहीं दिए, but we also give the substance जो कि इसने कहा था, right? So इसको हम लोग indirect speech कहते हैं, right? Next is the point to remember. In the first sentence, said is called the reporting verb and Alia is an intelligent is called the reported. तो पहले सेंटेंस में said जो है वो कहलाएगा reported verb और Alia is an intelligent verb कहलाएगा reported speech. Right? Moving ahead. Notice the changes that are made in converting a sentence from direct to indirect. अब कुछ चेंजेस जो कि बनाए जाते हैं एक सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करते टाइम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, वो क्या क्या होते हैं. सो द इन्वर्टेड कॉमास आर ओमिटेड. की इन्वर्टेड कॉमास होते हैं उन्हें हम हटा देते हैं, राइट. द प्रोनाउन आई ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज चेंज टू द प्रोनाउन ही ऑफ द थर्ड. प्रोनाउन आई जो है फर्स्ट पर्सन का वो थर्ड पर्सन का ही बन जाता है, राइट. Next is the verb and present tense is changed to was, that is past tense. Present tense जो है वो past tense में हमेशा changes आता है, जैसे कि am जो है वो was बन जाएगा, right? Next is the adverb here expressing nearness is changed to there expressing distance. कि अगर हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच में नियरनेस की बात करें तो हम हेयर का यूज करेंगे और वही हेयर इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में डिस्टेंस को एक्सप्रेस करेगा तो वो देयर बन जाएगा, राइट. द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स दिस इज चेंज्ड टू दैट. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स जो है जो कि दिस है वो दैट में चेंज हो जाता है, राइट. स्टेटमेंट्स. स्टेटमेंट्स इज द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच आर जनरली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कन्वेंशन दैट. इस स्टेटमेंट्स में हम यूजुअली इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में दैट ऐड कर देते हैं, जैसे कि डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है he said I do not know what to do, and in the indirect speech it becomes he said that he did not know what to do. Next is the direct statement which says she said I will not do it, and the indirect sentence becomes he said that she would not do it, right. He said, I have received some letters. He said that he had received some letters. Sumit said to her, you are mistaken. Sumit told her that she was mistaken. Neha says there was no ink in the ink pot. Neha says that there was no ink in the ink. The teacher will say Riya will pass. The teacher will say that Riya would pass. Right? Question. In reporting questions, the indirect speech is introduced by some such verbs as asked, inquired, etc. Right? So, when the questions is not introduced by an interrogative word, the reporting verb is following by whether or if. तो जब भी हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और वो इंटरोगेटिव वर्ड से शुरू नहीं होता है तो हम उसमें एक रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब ऐड कर देते हैं जो कि होता है वेदर या फिर इफ, राइट. So that is direct. He said to me, where are you going? He asked me where I was going. Harry said, how much money have you in your pockets? Harry inquired how much money I had in my pocket. Poonam said to me, do you play cricket? Poonam asked me whether I play cricket. Do you suppose you know better than your father? Jeered his angry mother. His angry mother jeered and asked whether he supposed that he knew better than his own father. Right? After that, we have the commands and the requests. अब ये commands और requests क्या है? In reporting commands and requests, the indirect speech is introduced by some verb expressing command or request, and the imperative mood is changed into the infinitive. Right? कि रिपोर्टिंग कमांड्स और रिक्वेस्ट में जो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है वो इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती है कुछ वर्ब से जो कि एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कमांड या रिक्वेस्ट और इम्पेरेटिव मूड जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है कि इन्फिनेटिव में राइट सो द एग्जांपल्स आर लीव दिस प्लेस said the teacher to the boys. The teacher ordered the boys to leave that place. I said to Tushar, please give me your pen. I requested to Tushar to give me his pen. The next is the teacher said, work hard, Vibhu. The teacher advised Vibhu to work hard. He said, be quiet and listen to me. He urged them to be quiet and listen to him. He said to the magistrate, pardon him. She begged to the magistrate to pardon him. In reporting explanations and wishes, the direct speech is introduced by some verbs expressing explanation or wish. Right? So the examples are, they said, hurrah, we have won the match. They explained with joy they had won the match. He said to him, may you live long. He wished that he might live long. He said, alas, I am undone. He exclaimed that she was undone. He said, oh God, forgive me. He prayed to God to forgive her. Right? So, all these were the direct and indirect speech, and I hope you all got the rules for them really well and you all enjoyed the video. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.